Want a U.S. Green Card without leaving America? There is a legal pathway, but it is not as simple as it sounds. The process is called adjustment of status. It allows eligible people already living in United States, such as those on work visa or student visa, to apply for a permanent residency without returning to their home country. Well, under the US immigration law, this process is handled by the US Citizenship and Immigration Services, which issues the green card, and now officially known as the Form I-551, once the application is approved. So, how does that work? First, a person must check if they are eligible under a specific category. This could be family based, employment based, or even other special categories. In most cases, applicants need two key steps. One, immigrant petition, usually filed by a sponsor. Then, green card application itself, known as the Form I-485. But there's a key point: visa availability. Not everyone can apply immediately. For many categories, especially employment based and family preference visas, there are limits on how many green cards can be issued each year. This creates waiting periods and sometimes lasting years. Well, to track this, applicants can rely on the visa bulletin released monthly by the US Department of State, and this bulletin shows when a visa number becomes available. Only when a date becomes current and can most applicants go forward with their application. However, there is one major exception. Well, the immediate relatives of the US citizens, such as spouse, parents, unmarried children, do not face these numerical limits. For them, visa is usually available right away, allowing the faster processing. Well, experts say that adjustment of status is popular because it avoids the need of the consular processing abroad. If someone is outside the US, they must go through the messy interval in their home country. But staying within the US makes process more convenient and often less disruptive. While still, the system is complex. Rules vary depending on visa type, category, and changing government policies. It makes this form odd thinking that it can lead to delays over denial. Well, for thousands of immigrants, especially from countries like India, long wait times remain the major challenge in high demand employee based categories. Well, now, in the end, I would like to say that while it is possible to get a green card without leaving the US, the process delays heavily on eligibility and availability. Well, for many, it is not just about the process, but a long journey that requires patience and careful planning.